Hello everyone. I thought at this point it would be nice to review quadratic relations so far. There are three ways of writing an equation for a quadratic relation: vertex form, standard form, and factored form. The numbers in the equations tell you different points on the graph. So you have the vertex form showing you the coordinates of the vertex. So whatever number is in this position, where I have minus h, that tells you that the x-coordinate of the vertex is h. And whatever number's in the k position tells you the y-coordinate of the vertex. Standard form tells you the coordinates of the y-intercept. So that whatever is in the C position, whatever number that is, that's the y-coordinate of your y-intercept. And the factored form equation tells you the coordinates of the x-intercepts. So whatever is in the positions R and S tell you the x-coordinates of your two x-intercepts. And it doesn't matter what form the equation's written in, a value in front. Whatever value a is tells you the direction of opening. So if a is a negative value, that means the parabola opens down. And if a is a positive value, that means the parabola opens up. So here's an example. I have a quadratic relation written in the three different forms. If I look at the number in front, -4, that's a negative value. So that means my parabola opens down. If I look at the factored form, my x-intercepts are -2 and +6. Remember, the sign changes for these. And I know this opens down, so my parabola is going to have this shape. When I look at my standard form equation, the last number is +48, so that's my y-intercept. And my vertex, remember, change the sign on the x-coordinate, so it's +2, +64. And now I want to take a minute to talk about the axis of symmetry. That's the line, the vertical line that cuts the parabola in half. It always goes through the vertex. So the equation of that line is x equals whatever the x-coordinate is at your vertex. So for this example, that is an x-coordinate of 2 at the vertex. So the equation of my axis of symmetry is x equals 2. Now, if you want to change between the forms, what we've talked about so far is changing from factored form into standard form and changing from vertex form into standard form. So the way we did that was by expanding. The previous two lessons were about that, so if you need more review with that, you can go to those videos.